Hi, in this video I will show you how to create ad videos for your social media for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube or TikTok with using our tool Pikaban. First, let me show you some of our examples. It can be video with your photos, images of your products, some titles, a lot of frames, like this one. You can also add music to your videos. Or it can be more simple, just with a photo and some titles. If you want the same for you, keep watching this video and I'll show you how to do this. So let's create a new set and choose template. We have a free templates, you can use it and try all of them. If you want some custom template, just feel free to contact us and we'll create something special for you. I want to choose this one. So I need MP4 for Facebook and Instagram, and also I want for YouTube. Okay, just color and okay, let's fill the attributes and upload image. Let's create videos about some Bluetooth headphones. Alright, and then I upload just some logo. That's just this example. You can of course upload yours here. Great, and let's add some titles. Exclusive headphones. Subtitle best sounds and sale. And here this text line, offer, let's say -15, and button, order now. And also we can add some audio. Okay, let's just try this. Okay, and just click. You can play here. And when you download videos, you will hear the music. Okay, so I have 3 videos. I can download them. Draft videos, it's in a lower quality if I want just check faster, but I want the best quality, so I ticked off OK. And the zip file with all these MP4 videos will send to my email. In the result you get email. You can click and download videos, and you will get your video with music and all the animation. Then you can upload it to your Instagram or Facebook or TikTok or other social media networks and use it in ad promotions or just in your account. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and now you can go to the platform and create videos. If you have some questions or do you need custom templates, please feel free to contact us or write in the comments. See you in the next tutorials. Bye!